Come on, Mia! Come on, Mia!
All right. Way to work together, Green.
She's redeeming herself for the potty break. Tommy won't forget it now.
Right, are you glad you got it to the bathroom?
She's playing good. Go ahead, Giselle.
No.
Yeah, Giselle!
That's how you do it. Keep doing that.
Giselle! Fight for that ball. Good job.
Way to win it. Good, Gab. So, opportunity, Green. Sorry, Ref.
Let's go, Mia!
Oh, that was...
That hurt. That hurt just watching it. Come on, Kim. Go, go, go!
Good. Keep the pressure up, Leon.
Come on, Kimmy!
Oh. That's what you do.
Nice, Giselle! Wow. I think you gotta buy her something. She needed the other goal.
Strawberry milk, that's what I promised. Because your little brother got one. That's, the economy and stuff. So, follow it up. Way to be on the ball.
Come on, Kimmy!
Good ball.